no! Jesus is in danger! Will you help him? Jesus was on his way to help a friend. But wait! The car's brakes are failing! Someone's messed with them! Who could it be? All clues point to Satan. Could he be trying to stop Jesus? Oh no! Jesus' hand is injured badly. He needs help now. Quick, what tool should he use to stop the bleeding? The first aid kit could be his best chance. But does he even know how to use it? Choose a doctor who can come to his rescue and save his hand. The surgeon arrives just in time, but bad news, Jesus' hand might not be saved. Choose the perfect replacement hand to keep him going. It fits like a miracle. Now, his car is wrecked. How will he get back home safely? Help him pick the best way to travel back. Whoa, what a choice! This ride looks divine! Before he leaves, Jesus wants you to subscribe to help him spread love. Will you support him? Like, share, and comment. I love Jesus to show your faith.